tried to keep me safe from the harm of this world.
You're my mom and you can do most anything. You encourage me to follow all my dreams, and you taught me that with God there's not one thing beyond my reach. Mom, it's your strength that keeps me going when it seems an endless fight. It's your arms that hold me tight in the middle of the night. It's your words that make everything alright. But most of all, it's your love.